Welcome back with a 3.13 or 3.1 magnitude earthquake that's 75 kilometers north of Charlotte, Emily, U.S. Virgin Islands. Happened at 1:36 p.m. Central Standard Time to the 20.48 kilometers. This was followed by a 3.58 or 3.6 at 71 kilometers north of Charlotte, Emily, at 1:37 to the 18 kilometers. Another 3.95 or 4.0 that's 72 kilometers north of Charlotte, Emily, at 2:42 depth of 26 kilometers, and finally a 3.34 or 3.3 that hit 73 kilometers north of Charlotte, Emily, at 2:43 depth of 20.88 kilometers. So with that, that's about it. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.